From thundering giants that shake the earth to misty vales tucked deep in ancient jungles, waterfalls are nature's most breathtaking expressions of power and beauty. Across continents and climates, they draw us in with their roaring soundscapes, shimmering rainbows, and sheer vertical drops. In today's journey, we'll count down the top 10 most spectacular waterfalls in the world, each one a masterpiece carved by time, gravity, and water. Let's begin our descent into nature's most dramatic wonders.
Welcome to Echoes of Earth.
Dettifoss, Iceland. Location: Vatnajökull National Park, northeast Iceland. Height: 44 meters, 144 feet. Width: 100 meters. Flow rate: ~193 cubic meters per second. Highlight: known as the most powerful waterfall in Europe. Dettifoss is fed by a glacial river Jökulsá á, giving it a grey, volcanic appearance. The sheer noise and force are awe-inspiring. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. Location: Fiordland National Park, South Island. Height: 580 meters, 1,904 feet in 3 cascades. Highlight: hidden in New Zealand's lush Fiordland region, it drops in 3 dramatic stages. Accessible by the famous Milford Track hike. Fun fact: once thought to be the tallest waterfall in the world. Gullfoss, Iceland. Location: Háskadalur Valley, southwest Iceland. Height: 32 meters, 105 feet over 2 tiers. Highlight: part of the Golden Circle route, Gullfoss translates to Golden Falls. Its staggered, double drop creates a powerful mist that often forms rainbows. Cultural note: in the early 1900s, it was almost sold to be used for hydroelectric power, but was saved by environmental activism. Yosemite Falls, USA. Location: Yosemite National Park, California. Height: 739 meters, 2,425 feet. Highlight: the tallest waterfall in North America. Consists of 3 parts: upper fall, middle cascades, and lower fall. Best viewed in spring as it's fed by snowmelt. Iconic view: seen from Yosemite Valley, it's one of the most photographed spots in the park. Kayatera Falls, Guyana. Location: Kayatera National Park, Pataro River. Height: 226 meters, 741 feet in a single drop. Highlight: one of the world's highest single drop waterfalls with an enormous volume. Surrounded by untouched rainforest and rich wildlife like golden frogs and cock-of-the-rock birds. Unique feature: despite its size, it's relatively unknown due to its remote location. Tugela Falls, South Africa. Location: Royal Natal National Park, Drakensberg Mountains. Height: 948 meters, 3,110 feet in 5 tiers. Highlight: often debated as the tallest in the world depending on measurement criteria. The scenery in the amphitheater rock face is absolutely breathtaking. Access can be viewed from above, hike or drive, or below. Niagara Falls, USA, Canada. Location: border of Ontario, Canada and New York, USA. Height: 51 meters, 167 feet. Width: 1,204 meters, 3,950 feet. Flow rate: over 2,400 cubic meters per second. Highlight: not the tallest, but among the most famous due to its immense volume and accessibility. Made up of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls biggest, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Tourism: visited by over 12 million people annually. 32-meter-high cascade surrounded by mist and rainbows. UNESCO, protected as a World Heritage Site. Victoria Falls of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Location, Zambezi River, border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Height, 108 meters 354 feet width, 1,708 meters. Name origin, known locally as Mosioe Jr., the smoke that thunders. Highlight, largest curtain of falling water in the world. You can even swim to the edge at the Devil's Pool during dry season. Cultural impact, considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Location, Canaima National Park. Height, 979 meters 3,212 feet freefall, 807 meters. Highlight, world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. Water drops from a tabletop mountain Ollantaytambo into a deep jungle basin. Accessibility, very remote, usually accessed by plane plus boat plus hike. And there you have it, 10 of the most jaw-dropping waterfalls our planet has to offer. Whether nestled in icy valleys or crashing through tropical rainforests, these natural wonders remind us of Earth's untamed beauty and timeless power. Which waterfall captured your imagination the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys to the world's most extraordinary places. Until next time, keep your spirit wild and your eyes on the horizon.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for the next.